Sleepless nights worrying about money? Having to work a 9 to 5 that you hate just so that you can get the paycheck at the end of every month? Not being able to afford the best healthcare for you and your loved ones? Being a slave to an alarm clock in the morning? Having to say no to vacations with your best friends because of financial limitations? Wouldn't you just want to say F to all these situations? Then I have a good news for you. You can. But first, you need FU money. Formal definition of F money is any amount of money allowing the infinite perpetuation of wealth necessary to maintain a desired lifestyle without needing employment or assistance from anyone. In this video, I will present the top 5 greatest takeaways from the book FU Money by Dan Lok. All of them will take you one step closer of reaching FU money status. If you want to be free to do whatever you want, wherever you want, whenever you want, and with whomever you want, for as long as you want without having to worry about money. So let's find out, shall we? Number 1. Allow yourself to dream. You cannot hit the target which you cannot see. It's that simple. Therefore, Dan Lok suggests that you should make your own so-called FUMT list. What is FUMT? It's the FU Money Targets list. Allow yourself to drift off into the future where you can have true FU money. Perhaps imagine yourself like a Hollywood movie star. What would your ultimate lifestyle look like? How much would it cost for you to live that lifestyle early? Now here's Dan Lok's own list, which he is living right now, by the way. Luxury condos, 1.2 crore. Leasing 2 sports cars, 26 lakhs. Exotic vacations every quarter of a year, 29 lakhs. 52 extravagant meals, 7 lakhs. Name branded clothes, 26 lakh. Home theater system, 7 lakhs. 52 spa treatments, that's 1 each week, 4 lakhs. Personal chef for 5 meals per week, 3 lakhs. Maid services, 19 lakhs. A personal fitness trainer 3 times a week, 6 lakhs. Random bills, 38 lakhs. Buy whatever I want money, 75 lakhs. In total, Dan Lok's Hollywood lifestyle costs him about... Now, this is a lot of money. Dan Lok is clear on this point. He wants to pay for freedom of choice and quality, not for prestige. Number 2. The slow way to FU money. Versus the fast way to FU money. There are 2 proven ways to reduce your FU status. The slow way is the traditional way. Build a nest egg slowly by saving as much as possible of your monthly salary and putting that money away in, let's say, mutual funds. Hopefully, by the time you've retired, in say 30 to 40 years, this is the proven method that have been shoved down your throat by your peers while growing up by their teachers, parents, grandparents, your older siblings, your younger siblings, cashiers, or even a cab driver. The problem with the slow way comes in 2 forms. 1, well, it's slow. Second, you lack control. First and foremost, the source of income will always depend on the employer. Now, hopefully you won't get laid off, but why take your chances when you can choose the fast way? The fast way is to build your own automated income vehicle. This vehicle should generate money for you without consuming your time. When it generates the same amount of money as your Hollywood lifestyle, takeaway number 1's costs. You officially have FU money. There are multiple vehicles that you can use. Become a kick-ass investor or trader in the stock market, flip houses and do real estate investments, or create your own business. It goes without saying, I think that Dan Lok prefers the fast way, and specifically the vehicle of creating your own business. The third takeaway, focus. The number 1 reason why people don't make the FU money is because they get sucked into the latest money-making schemes, and because they can't maintain focus. In the last month, it was about selling multi-level marketing products from Amway. This month is learning a bit about cryptocurrencies. And you are already thinking about starting a drop shipping business next month. You know what I mean. Getting rich is simple. If you choose creating a business as your vehicle, the secret formula is having a great vision, deliver a ton of value to people, and solve a lot of problems. It is really that simple. The problem is people don't like simple. They want the magic pill that will do all the work for them. Therefore, they become opportunity seekers, jumping from one hot money-making scheme to the next one. We can see the same pattern in health industry. Take building a great physique for example. All you have to do is eat a proper diet. Sleep, gym, repeat. It's that simple, yet people waste so much money on infomercial products. Fancy equipment, the latest programs, fat burners, you name it. Just take all the rich people on the Forbes list as an example. I dare you to find a single one of them who's become rich through some hot money-making scheme. In fact, leave a comment if you do. Therefore, stay focused. In takeaway 4 and 5, I will discuss how you should direct that focused energy of yours. Hope this video inspires you to take your stance at FU Money. And if you want to become an independent trader, do check out Havenspire.in and enroll yourself for the upcoming batch.